building and nature become complementary, as seen in the best examples of organic architecture. This is the case in Sardinia, in a tourist area of the island, where the Alvisi Kirimoto studio created a living, breathing house that, camouflaged within the Mediterranean vegetation, observes the sea from every angle. The lot was originally covered with abundant vegetation, with fragmented pathways leading to disconnected buildings. Due to landscaping constraints, the studio had to rethink the relationship between the existing volumes, creating a logical sequence of open, closed, and covered spaces. A yellow San Giacomo granite staircase serves as a promenade that crosses the site, starting from the highest point and connecting 3 building units, which are separated based on functionality and staggered according to the topography. Villa S remains true to Italian traditions, particularly the concept of piazzas. The main volume, previously composed of 3 closed-off boxes, was redesigned as a single space, integrating the living room, dining room, and kitchen. This structure is defined by 4 parallel walls and large glass surfaces that provide new views of the square and the terrace facing the sea. The villa takes advantage of the surrounding beauty by providing a permanent connection through large glazed openings. The natural granite blocks on the site were incorporated through the concept of Cyclopean masonry, native to the land of Italy. Scattered across the Acropolis walls and Italy's famous aqueducts, this timeless masonry technique, achieved by fitting irregularly shaped stones without the use of mortar, transforms the walls into imposing and sophisticated surfaces. The interior color palette of the main unit is a balance between the neutral tone of marble and granite and the vibrant hues of wood. In contrast to the solidity of the walls, the expansive windows add dynamism and lightness to the facades, revealing themselves in the sunlight. The Orosei marble flooring extends beyond the internal spaces to the deck and terraces, dissolving the concept of a threshold. The restoration of the tiled roofs maintains the traditional charm of the original buildings, while in continuity with the interior ceilings, pergolas with wooden slats and a metal structure extend on both main sides of the volume, creating shaded and protected spaces. The split granite on the villa's exterior walls amplifies the extravagance exuded by the interior space. Blending tradition and technology, the pitched wooden roof with 4 duo beams made of Iroko wood, featuring a central and lateral metal node system, covers the entire volume. A substructure in wooden slats and an Iroko wood plank, with its porosity, improves the acoustic performance of the interiors. Having to keep the profiles unchanged, the interiors and their relationship with the exterior were reinterpreted through the addition of some contemporary elements, such as new pergolas and the glass box leading to the basement. The geometric rigor of the buildings contrasts with the sinuous lines of the pathways. The other two volumes are dedicated to resting and service areas. The exterior finish is granite and Iroko wood. Since these two units house more intimate spaces, the connection with the context is limited to private gardens and green stone walls. In the master bedroom, the finishes are more aligned with the main building, with stone walls and a large glass unit facing east, overlooking the garden and serene sea views. The guest room differs slightly in terms of size, height, and materiality. The interior spaces complement the granite with natural lime plaster and Iroko parquet flooring. The unifying element of the entire project is represented by the large garden, which embraces the villa like a big hug. The existing trees, recovered, are accompanied by Mediterranean vegetation, ideal for minimal maintenance and low water consumption, while the flowers in the beds change color throughout the seasons. There is also a centuries-old olive tree with 3 trunks above the pool, a fig tree in front of the master bedroom, and a carob tree that stands proudly in the central square. Portraying aspects of a vast heritage, Villa S celebrates Italian architecture and craftsmanship. It endorses a luxurious villa rooted in tradition, with an essence of contemporary elements dictating a narrative of how conventional materiality meets modern aesthetics.